Today in history. 11th July 2021, clear and sunny, Spaceport America, New Mexico, USA. Dear Diary, today is such an amazing day. I got to witness something incredible. Richard Branson's first space adventure. It's like a dream come true. So, you know Richard Branson, right? He's the cool guy who started Virgin and owns all those amazing companies. Well, today he became the first civilian to go to space. Can you believe it? Normally, only astronauts get to go. But now even regular people like us can go to space. How cool is that? This didn't happen overnight though. Scientists and engineers have been working for many years to make this possible. They built a special spaceship called the VSS Unity, and it took off from a place called Spaceport America in New Mexico, USA. I was lucky enough to be there in person, along with Richard Branson. There were 5 other people on board. They even had real pilots who knew how to fly the spaceship. We watched as the VSS Unity soared up into the sky, and then it reached an amazing height where the passengers got to experience weightlessness. Can you imagine floating in space like an astronaut? I couldn't go up myself, of course, because I'm just a kid, but I saw it all on a big screen, and it was so exciting. I felt a mix of awe and envy. One day, maybe when I grow up, I can go to space too. After about an hour, the VSS Unity safely landed back on Earth. Everyone clapped and cheered. It was a memorable moment that I will never forget. This day is going to be a big part of history, and I'm sure people will talk about it for a long time. I can't wait to see what happens next in space travel. Maybe more people will get to go, and one day we'll have hotels or even colonies on other planets. That would be so cool. But for now, I'll always remember today as the day Richard Branson made history. Space isn't just for astronauts anymore. It's for dreamers like me who want to explore and reach for the stars.